Damn. What's good, YouTube? Ethan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got my Mustang to be as loud as possible. A little cold out here, give me one sec. That's better. Okay. So for my setup and my exhaust, it's very cheap. You're not going to break the bank with it. It's all through Pacesetter. They are a little of a cheaper brand, but the parts that I have in my car haven't failed me yet. I haven't had any issues with the exhaust at all, no rubbing issues or anything. So I think it's worth it if you want a loud exhaust for cheap. So installing on my car, I've never installed long tubes before, but it wasn't too hard. It just took time. Laying on my back, my shoulders and everything got super sore. So if you have a lift, or you know someone that has a lift, or if you could even rent a lift, which I found I can do, I would definitely do that. It would probably take you less than a day. So like I said, I have the Pacesetter long tube headers with an Pacesetter off-road H-pipe. I chose the H-pipe over the X-pipe because I had the X-pipe before with the stock exhaust manifolds, and it was too high-pitched and raspy. I didn't like that. I like more the deeper, I guess, muscle car tone. So the H-pipe, if you want a deeper, more tolerable tone that's not super annoying, it was annoying to me, but it might not be for you. I would definitely go with the H-pipe just because it's a lot deeper and it sounds a lot better to me. I get asked all the time what mufflers I have. I actually have no mufflers. I went to an exhaust shop down the hill for me and they took them off for me. I think it was like $100 or so. So it was a pretty good deal because I know you can buy some online for like $200 to $300. But like I said, it's a muffler delete, so you're legit just putting pipes on. So I thought, why would I spend $300 for just a muffler delete, you know? Let's go to a different location for some revs. I don't need my neighbors saying death threats to me. So what happened, I recorded a bunch of exhaust clips yesterday, but my camera footage got corrupted. But anyways, I hope you liked it. If you did, rate, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all later. Peace.